Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, that is part 71. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find up to part 70, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. Initially, we have the independent state during the Muhammad bin Tughlaq's period. Hoysala was the independent state during the time of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. You have to remember that during his time, Hoysala was the independent state. Whatever the option has been given, that is the answer which have been given in this. The proposal for the creation of all India services can be considered only the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution by two-third majority to this effect. Please remember, whatever the proposal for the creation of all India services, that can be considered only the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution by two-third majority to this effect, then only it is possible. Next we have biomedication that reduces toxins, clears oil spills, purifies aquifers and cures bacterial and fungal diseases. Please remember, what are the biomedication that reduces toxins, clear oil spills and purifies aquifers and cures bacterial and fungal diseases. Mohari is a product of Angora goat. As you can see how exactly the Angora goat looks like. From this, Mohari product had been produced. The main function of the Unit Trust of India. Please remember UTI, that is Unit Trust of India. The main function is for the collection of taxes on agricultural land that will be collected by the UTI. The fiscal crisis, it means increasing public debt, is known as fiscal crisis. In this, what happens? The public debt will be increased. Bones are 80% solid matter and the rest 20% the water exists in the bones. Ginger is a stem and not a root, but it has nodes and internodes. Please remember, ginger is a modified form of stem. It has got nodes and internodes. We obtain turmeric from the part of the flower. That is, as you can see, how exactly we obtain the ginger, the turmeric from the plant. That is, as you can see to the right side, ginger plant, that is a turmeric plant. That is a part of a flower from where the ginger is drawn. The HIV, we know that whatever the AIDS is, which spreads from the HIV virus, that is human immunovirus, which is considered living because composed of protein. The national highway number 1 that connects between Delhi and Srinagar, that is the one which directly connects between these two cities. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. More than 800 plus question papers have been given for the various examinations, as it is segregated in a good sequence manner. Let us see what exactly the next we have. Zojila Pass that connects Chamba and Spiti. We knew that Nathula, Jojila, these are all Shipkila, these are all the passes which are located in this Zojila Pass that connects Chamba as well as Spiti. It is two had been bifurcated by Zojila Pass. The maturity of a river course is recognized by the presence of gods. This is one thing you have to remember. The maturity of a river course is recognized by the presence of gorgs. The evidence of the revolution of planets comes from the Kepler's planetary motion. We knew that Johannes Kepler, who had formulated the law of planetary system. Next we have Nishada Charitra was written by Narasimha. We knew that Nishada Charitra had been written by the Narasimha. For hearing an echo, the time interval between the original sound and echo sound should be more than 1/10th of a second. Please remember, it is mandatory to have 1/10th of a second to hear an echo. The drain of wealth theory. The theory had been formulated by the Dadabhai Naoroji, who is also known as Grand Old Man of India or Father of Indian Nationalism. So both the names have been given to Dadabhai Naoroji, Grand Old Man of India and Father of Indian Nationalism, who had formulated drain of wealth theory. The Indian National Congress found early support among the educated middle class. Please remember, this Indian National Congress had found early support among the educated middle class people have formulated this Indian National Congress. I want you guys to comment me in this section who is the chairman as well as when it was established. The achievement of non-cooperation movement of 1920 to 21 was that the Hindu and Muslim came closer in political pursuit. So please remember, whatever the achievement of non-cooperation movement which was held between 1920 to 21 was that the Hindus and Muslim came closer in political pursuit. Betterment levy is imposed by the government on the people in respect of land improved by the irrigation facilities provided by government. Please remember, whatever the betterment levy that is imposed by the government on the people in respect of land improved by the irrigation facilities that has been provided by the government. Federation, Indian responsibility, reservation and safeguard were the three linchpins of Pune Pact. So please remember, whatever the Pune Pact which was formulated, because for the Indian responsibility, reservation and safeguarding, these are the main three principles of that Pune Pact. Mitochondria DNA in an individual comes from the both parents. So whatever the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, this mitochondria comes from the mother and father. High temperature superconductors are so called because they offer no resistance to conduction of electricity at low temperatures. Please remember, what are the high temperature superconductors? They are so called because they offer no resistance to conduction of electricity at low temperatures. The Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan civilization, Harappan culture, because the reason of calling as Indus Valley civilization as Harappan, because the Harappa was the first site to be excavated in the Indus Valley. So that was the first city. That is the reason Indus Valley civilization had been called as Harappa civilization. Mohenjo-daro is known as the mound of the dead. The drugs are administered in the form of capsules. The capsule is made of starch. We knew that whatever the medicine, the drugs have been made in the shape of capsule. That capsule is made of starch. That is the reason they are stored in the small capsules. The diaphragm is not a vestigial organ, but as you can see, the last molar teeth, that is 32nd wisdom teeth, and muscles of pinna, vermiform appendix, these are all few which are vestigial organs. You can see how exactly the muscles to move ears. There are muscles which can be moved. Here, as you can see, nictitating membrane which is inside the eye, and pointed canine, third molar, vermiform. These are all various forms you have to remember. So pyramidalis muscle, hair in our body, whatever we have, these are all vestigial organs. Painted grey ware is associated with the Vedic age. We knew that the grey painting utensils have been made during the time of Vedic age. Rabies is caused by a virus and it affects the nervous system. We knew that whenever there is a dog bite, then you have to give the vaccine against this rabies. Rabies vaccine had to be given. So this is directly affects the nervous system. These are the few questions I had compiled, guys. I hope all these questions will help you a lot. If you get these questions, it's very nice. These are very previous year questions. So go through all what other parts have been given. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.